Today we have a patient, Beena Devi, with us. She is a patient of oral submucous fibrosis. As we all know, it's a condition wherein we have bands which are there in the buccal mucosa. Also, the patient complains of burning sensation on taking something hot and spicy. So, as such, she is not having burning sensation. She is usually having a relatively less mouth opening because of the fibrous bands. For that, we are giving the intralesional injections to the patient. So, first of all, we have to take the mouth opening, relative mouth opening of the patient. So, आप मुंह खोलेंगे बड़ा? So, this is how I have taken the mouth opening with the vernier caliper. So, still we have like the mouth opening of 30 mm. We can further increase it with the intralesional injections. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to give the hyaluronidase injection. It's an enzyme which cuts down the collagen fibers and helps in improving the patient's mouth opening. Okay, so this is the injection hyaluronidase. As you can see, it comes in a powder form. So we have to mix it with the saline and we have to make a uniform solution of it. So what am I doing? I'm just taking the normal saline. Okay, so I'm mixing it. Justly tap it so it becomes a uniform solution. Okay, now I will take this insulin syringe. This is the insulin syringe. And I'm going to fill it like this. So I'll take the entire solution in this insulin syringe like this. So as you can see, we have taken it. So we'll just have a little bit of topical LA spray at the site of the injection. So we are going to give this injection bilaterally along the fibrous bands. So like you can see, we have the like you can see the appearance of the mucosa. It is typical of the OSMF, marble-like appearance. And also we can actually palpate the fibrous bands. As I am moving my finger up and down, I can see a vertical fibrous band. So what is the site for the intralesional injection? It would be the band. So we have to give the injection. You can just insert the needle a little bit and then probably you can start putting up this solution along the entire length of the vertical fibrous band like I'm doing. So I'm doing it at multiple sites. So once we are done with the intralesional injection at that particular site, I'm going to knead the mucosa like this so that the distribution is even over the buccal mucosa. So likewise, now I'm going to repeat it for the other side. So I'll just retract the mucosa again. You can see here again the same appearance and I can palpate the fibrous band here. So along the band, I'm going to start giving the hyaluronidase at multiple sites. Like this. So what this hyaluronidase will do, it will break down the collagen and it is going to help the patient in a better mouth opening. It's just not the hyaluronidase. We have to tell certain exercises to the patient also. So this is I'm kneading it again so that the hyaluronidase is basically it gets easily diffused over the buccal mucosa. So we have to tell certain exercises to the patient after the injection. We have to tell to slowly close and open the mouth. धीरे धीरे मुंह खोलिए बंद करिए खोलिए बंद करिए धीरे 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 बंद करिए खोलिए बंद करिए. This is how we will knead the mucosa so that the hyaluronidase is evenly distributed at the site of the injection. Thank you.